Hey guys, welcome back. Mindy here. So we are at Apple Store at MBS, the floating one, my favorite, and we are actually checking out the AirTags. This is Apple's tracking device. First impressions, these tiny things are really small. And they feel really nice quality, and the engraving is really pretty. It's like flushed with the entire AirTag, so I love it. At the back is the aluminum part where I saw a lot of pictures. They are easily scratched, but underneath this is where the battery lies, and you can actually take them out and replace them. And of course, these babies are super waterproof. As you can tell, I've been playing with this all day. This is like my third or fourth time dropping this into water, and it still works. And as you can see, I also customized these babies. So Min is my name, as you guys know already. The equal sign, obviously, for equality. So one of my favorites. And this heart and star is from a movie called Moxie. It represents girl power and feminism. So yes, this unicorn is chosen by my friend Dylan, whom I'm splitting this 4-pack with so that I can save costs. So that's one smart way you guys can save costs as well. But of course, the main point of this is to find your stuff. As much as we don't want to lose our stuff, as much as we are careful with them, sometimes we lose it. So this comes in super handy in those moments. So there are a few ways that you can go about using these trackers to help you find your stuff. Firstly, if you're really far away from this baby, so say you tag this to your water bottle and you left it at your friend's place, but you don't know that you left it there, so you can actually use the Find My network to track down the location of this baby. All you have to do is to go to the Find My app and click on items, and instantly you can see the location of this tag, which currently is tagged to my backpack, and it's at MBS. And what's happening is the AirTag is emitting a Bluetooth signal in which surrounding iPhone, iPad, and Mac can detect and will then relay the location of the AirTag to your Find My app. Personally, I love this feature the most. It's definitely much better than my Macs on my iPhone's Find My feature because these can turn off, whereas these do not turn off. Unfortunately, I have lost my Mac before, and thieves could easily dismantle the Mac or never ever turn it on. But if I had this hidden in the back where I stored my Mac, I would have been able to track down the thieves and figure out where they are and where my Mac is. Yeah, but then again, will these beep to prevent unwanted tracking? I saw the AirTag video from Sarah Dici, and she actually did some tests on the AirTags. The unknown unwanted AirTag will only beep when you have returned home. And also, I think it will only beep if you have an iPhone with you, but I might be wrong. And also, if you have the iPhone 11 or later, you can use the precise finding feature to find your AirTag. All you have to do is to go into Find My, click on Items, click onto the AirTag you're trying to find, and click Find. But keep in mind, for this to work, your AirTag has to be near you. And we found it! We're back here. So if you do not have the precise finding feature, say you do not have an iPhone 11 or later, for that feature to work, you can actually just get your iPhone to make this beep, and let's just see just how loud this is. Okay? Okay. Be right back. And it's loud, it's beeping, and it's vibrating now. My phone is vibrating, and here we are. 0.1 meters nearby. It's here. There we go. Found it! I just love how useful these things are. People are talking about how you can tag it to your bicycles, your scooters, your cars, your dogs, your backpack, your kids, your partner. Don't be a stalker. The point is, possibilities with these are unlimited. Ultimately, this is a tracker made by Apple, popularized by Apple. I mean, remember those spy movies we watched when we were kids, where you can put something so tiny and small into someone's backpack and track them? Well, it has become a reality with this. Pretty sure these aren't the first of its kind. I mean, Tile, one of its biggest competitors, has been around for quite a while now, and if you do a quick search on Amazon, I'm pretty sure you can find similar items. The question is, will they work as well as these AirTags? Apple has always been smart with their products. With these AirTags, they made use of their existing large network of Apple devices in the world to help you find your items. And unlike its competitors, Apple doesn't charge a subscription fee for you to use them. You simply just have to buy them and you're in. Because if you think about it, with these, you're locked into the Apple ecosystem even more. So there it is. You're stuck in it, and I'm already deep into it.
And curiosity often leads to trouble.
And my computer. Everything's Apple. And it's because of all of these Apple devices that people own, Apple has a large network of Apples in the world, making AirTags much more powerful than anything else. In this sense, the more, the better. Whereas competitors like Tile just don't have as many tiles as there are Apple devices around a city. So if you're in the Apple ecosystem like me, the choice is so clear, AirTags. But for the rest who are not in the Apple ecosystem, will these be useful enough to draw them in? Let me hear your thoughts in the comment section below. But things to note, this is not anti-theft. Thieves who spot this and know what this is can easily remove its battery, like what I'm doing right now, like this. And there you go. It will stop working, stop you from tracking where this is. So if someone is actually targeting you, it's really hard to prevent it. But it would have been nice for this to start beeping instantly when it senses that it's being taken away from you and your phone. But that would lead to other complications, like what if it's your friend who is joking, or what if you're the one who's doing it? So yeah, that's other complications for Apple to solve. Another thing is, get a case for this. Just a few days of testing this and playing with this and throwing this inside this water, I've already noticed quite a bit of scratches at this aluminum part, this shiny part at the back where you see the Apple logo. So get a case. Apple does sell some accessories for the AirTags, but some are pretty expensive. However, as always, with Apple products, there's always a hype around this. And with that, it means that there's a lot of other third-party accessories for your AirTags. So I'll link some of them in the description below. Another thing is, these CR2032 coin batteries are meant to last about 1 year plus, so please replace them. You can get a pack of these for less than 10 bucks. Super affordable, thank God. But yeah, let me know what you think of these babies, and everything mentioned will be linked below. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe to help the channel reach 10,000 subscribers before the end of this year. As usual, stay maintained, goodbye.